Article 406 covers equipment for general use. Requirements for electrical enclosures in walk-in coolers and freezers are found in Article 406.8 if our electrical equipment shall be enclosed to protect it from physical damage in the environment. 406.8 if enclosures for electrical equipment in wet or damp locations shall be weatherproof or watertight. 406.8b unused openings in enclosures shall be closed to prevent the entrance of water or dirt. The NEC does not explicitly require the use of weatherproof bell or FS-type boxes in walk-in coolers and freezers. However, it does require the use of electrical enclosures that are suitable for the environment in which they are installed. Weatherproof bell boxes or weatherproof bell boxes are designed to be weatherproof and watertight, making them suitable for outdoor or wet locations. FS-type boxes or fan-shaped boxes are typically used for mounting electrical devices on uneven surfaces or in tight spaces. Based on the NEC requirements, it is recommended to use electrical enclosures that meet the following criteria for walk-in coolers and freezers. Firstly, weatherproof or watertight. Enclosures should be able to withstand the moisture and condensation that is common in these environments. Secondly, corrosion resistant. The enclosures should be made of materials that are resistant to corrosion caused by moisture and chemicals. Thirdly, adequate ventilation. Enclosures should have adequate ventilation to prevent overheating and condensation. Also consider this: local built-in codes may have additional requirements for electrical installations in walk-in coolers and freezers. It is important to consult with a qualified electrician for proper design and installation of electrical systems in these environments.